Disney's Villainous board game. Keri got us this for Christmas. Haven't really had a chance to play it. I did break the seal on it, but I haven't really gone through it or opened the whole thing. I love the cover. As you can see, it's a dark green. It says Villainous on the front in black lettering with this kind of gold sort of gilding around it. You can kind of see in the light. Okay. Has it again on the side. And then back, sorry about that. You can see some of the pieces, the cards laid out, and the characters. Alright. So, set that right there. And we'll unbox it. So the first thing we have is the Villainous instruction booklet. It does appear to be full color. I love that. Not too many pages. It's probably pretty easy to understand. You take on the role of a villain in this game. Next thing we have is a bag of tokens. Got one big one with a lightning bolt on it. And the other ones are just black with some bordering. So that's the tokens. Pretty plain as far as that goes. Then we have the character pieces. This is cool. This is in the middle. I'm sure we'll use this for something. Not sure what it's used for, but goodness, it almost looks like it's from Fireball Island or something like that. We have character villain guides. So there are 6 villains, and you play one of the villains. It's kind of neat. They give you this little guide booklet. It kind of tells you about each villain. So we have Captain Hook, Maleficent. Sorry about that. I constantly struggle with this camera. So we have Maleficent. Prince John from Robin Hood. Jafar from Aladdin. We've got the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. Ursula from The Little Mermaid. And then we have little character cards, not character cards, reference cards for every character. For every player, I should say. So, just kind of reminders what every symbol means and what every villain is capable of doing. God, this camera. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Kind of neat. I'm going to show you all the pieces. These are the character player pieces. Player character pieces. Keep saying everything backwards. This is Prince John. We've got Maleficent. I like that. I really like the emerald green on that one. This is the Ursula piece. Captain Hook. Jafar. And the Queen of Hearts. Okay. Then we have what appear to be character cards. Let me go ahead and break the seal on these. All right, let's see what we have here. So the first one is Maleficent's character board. It says, "Now go with the curse and serve me well." I've always liked Maleficent. She's one of my favorites. And that's what her board looks like. Pretty cool, right? Then we have Captain Hook. Double the powder and shorten the fuse. Jafar, finally you will bow to me. Prince John, this crown gives me a feeling of power. We've got the Queen of Hearts. If I lose my temper, you'll lose your head. Last but not least, Ursula. The sea and all its spoils bow to my power. Keri would probably play Ursula because she likes the Little Mermaid. I think she'd choose Ursula out of all of these. Okay. Last few things that we have are some card decks. And again, it looks like they correspond to each character. Excuse me. And that's that. Not going to open all of those, but you get the gist. And that is the Disney's Villainous board game. Thanks for watching.